to another YouTube video. For today's video, I am doing another Glossier review and I am so excited to be doing this. You guys know that I love Glossier. I used to work at Glossier. I own every single Glossier product. And so when I found out earlier this week that they released 2 new lip gloss shades, obviously I had to get them. And I'm going to be reviewing them today. So I ordered them in the mail. I have my box right here. So here's my pouch. I did also get a Super Bounce because I was out. But you guys know what that's like. Although it is the new Super Bounce formula. So wait, like, take detour for a sec. Oh my god, it's like twice the size. Do you guys own this new Super Bounce yet? If not, do you think it's twice the size? It looks so much bigger. I know the formula is new. It's still hyaluronic acid, vitamin B5, etc, etc, but wow. This is really exciting. This is the only one that I have, the new formula. It's gonna go like super pure, super bounce, super glow. But that's okay, I think it's kind of fitting. So yeah, okay, side note, wait, let me just really quickly swatch. Sorry, I didn't know this was gonna turn into like a new Super Bounce formula video, but what the heck. Still feels the same. I'm trying to determine if it still smells the same. I think it does. But anyways, all right. So I'll try that out later. But let's get to the lip glosses. Okay, so still the same packaging. And the first one I'm opening up, ooh, is the red. Actually, I want to do the clear one first because I'm going to put these on. I don't want to put the red first and then, you know, put the color on your lips and it's harder. Anyways, okay, let's start with the holographic one. This one I think I'm most excited about because you guys know I love clear things. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's like a clearish white with like a pinky glitter in it. Okay, let's do a close-up. But it's kind of like, yeah, it's holographic. I feel like that's a good word for it. The camera isn't even doing it justice because in real life it has this like beautiful pinky kind of a glow inside of it. I'm sure that this is just like a normal lip gloss, but obviously because it's Glossier, we get super excited for even the little things. Wow, that is a lip gloss. So it still feels sticky like lip glosses do. I don't think anyone's invented a lip gloss that isn't sticky, but my lips feel very like plump, pouty. I love the lip gloss look. And this sheer kind of a one, oh, it's just so pretty. Oh my god, I don't want to take it off. Let me show you up close. So sorry for like the super close-up of my mouth, but I just want to show you the tint on my lips. I definitely need to get a ring light or better lighting so I can really show you guys, but yeah, I really like it. My lips feel very hydrated as well, so that's always a plus. And yeah, this one isn't crazy different from the original just clear lip gloss, just to be clear. It does have a little bit of a tint, so I feel like, not a tint, but definitely more of a shine to it. So I feel like if I had to pick one of them, I would probably go for this one, the holographic one. But yeah. Okay, so now let's try the red one. Oh my gosh, let me wipe this off. Whew. Okay, so now we're gonna do the red Rouge Lip Gloss. Oh wow, that is really red. That almost looks like a neon red. It is a very bright red. I can tell I'm gonna need a tan for this color, but that's okay. It is summer, so let's do a close-up. Very excited for this, so let's try it out. I hope that this looks okay on me. It is super red. Ooh, when it comes out, honestly, the shade that's on this, the applicator looks a little bit more pinky. It looks almost like a fuchsia pink, whereas in the bottle it's definitely very red. So that's something I noticed right off the bat. The application is very smooth, and as you can see, there really isn't that much shade to it. It still is a lip gloss. I'd say it's like it's basically a tinted gloss, and I think I was, as I just said, I was really afraid of this color, but it does not come off as bright, as pigmented, or as like potent as this. It's still true to a lip gloss, but with a little bit of a tint, and I actually like that it gives your lips a little bit of a color. Glossier is just, they're just geniuses when it comes to formulas, and honestly I love this. I think that it is amazing. So there you have it. Here are all 3 lip glosses: the clear, the red, and the holographic. Like I said, I am still obsessed with this formula. I was kind of shying away from using my clear lip gloss, but them releasing these 2 new products has almost reminded me how great of a product this is, and that I should be reaching for it more when I'm doing my makeup. I think that this is great, a really great product, a really great formula. It feels amazing on the lips. It looks great. There's no reason not to wear it. I sound like a commercial. But no, seriously, I think that they're really great products. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please feel free to subscribe and hit the bell, leave it a thumbs up. And for more Glossier videos or other types of videos in general, I also do videos on beauty and in general, and a lot of fashion and just some lifestyle and vlogs. So I would love to have you be a part of my community here on YouTube. And I also have my Instagram account. It's called The Fashion Squirrel, so definitely follow over there as well. And hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye. I could like actually touch my lips because of the lip gloss. Bye.